All right, guys, our daily video uploads are continuing here with David's computer. Last time, I believe you saw our customer services computer, and David sits right next to him, kind of in the same room here. And I've asked David to evacuate his system so that I could give you guys a tour, and also so that I could do some cable management because his desk was kind of crazy, and it looks way better now. So let's take a little tour here. For starters, he has a lot of tchotchkes on his desk, which is pretty awesome. He has a Jormungandr from Smite, the video game Smite, and specifically with the cat skin. I think it's called World Kitty Jormungandr skin. And the reason why that's on his desk is because David is, depends on the day, but sometimes he's ranked #1 in the world on Ranked Joust and Smite. He's a very good Smite player, and that's usually his go-to player, or character, I should say. And I actually 3D printed that for him and colored it in a little bit to make it a little bit better looking. And then I tried 3D printing these little coasters that kind of look like the poison puddles that Jormungandr puts on the floor in Smite for David, so he could use them at his desk for his coffee. He's also got a copy of the Diablo 3 Collector's Edition box back there because he's played a lot of Diablo 3 over the years. I think that came out 10 years ago or something. And Ted from Silver Knight PC, who's gotten mentioned in a lot of these videos, actually sent that to David as a Christmas present last year. Good job, Ted. He's got a Jormungandr cat skin desktop background that he's never seen this yet, so it'll be interesting to see his reaction. But I threw this together by just grabbing a bunch of pictures from the internet and putting it all into one spot. And then he's got a ASUS ROG STRIX Flare, I believe that is, Flare keyboard there, with I think red switches, and he has the Red Dragon mouse with the Red Dragon mouse pad that's on top of another mouse pad. Lots of mouse pads on mouse pads on mouse pads. David has a funny love for the brand Red Dragon, and he used to have a Red Dragon keyboard as well, but it died. Of course it died because it's Red Dragon, but David loves Red Dragon for some reason. And he has a speaker mic there for doing our meetings. He has a Stream Deck that he does a lot of shortcuts with that. It's not turned on all the way correctly right now because this is a new Windows installation for him. So he hasn't set it up yet on this Windows. But moving on, he has, here's his chair. This thing's pretty cool. This is a NobleChair. I forgot the model, but it's a nice chair. At one point we had, I think, 4 of these in the office, and he's gotten his use out of it, as you can see here. He has some awards he won years ago. World Heavyweight MVP. He got the MVP award. He also got the Best Dressed award and the Hottest in the Office award. I gave out these awards, and this is supposed to be a joke from The Office. I don't know if you guys have seen the TV show The Office, but Hottest in the Office was one of the awards. So I hope you guys don't think I'm hitting on David. David is happily married.
The Hottest in the Office award goes to Ryan the Temp. Yeah.
He's got a little arcade game back here I saw hiding. I think Andrew actually gave that to him for Christmas one year. I see Andrew saying yes, he did. He's got a Simpsons album down here, CD, I should say. That was also, I think, gifted to him. So he's got a lot of dog poop bags. Those are important because, you got to pick up your poop. Don't be that guy. He's got a fan because David gets hot. He's got his headset, STRIX electric something or other. I forgot the name of that one. And then let's take a look at his PC. So this thing's pretty sweet. And I think if you saw Andrew's computer, the customer service rep, he had the same type of VESA mount stand with a similar case. Andrew's was a Fallout theme. David's is more of an NZXT theme, I guess you could say, in some ways. But he has the brand new NZXT fans. They're called the, I think, I want to say they're called like H20 RGB or something like that. But these are the new ones that just came out, and they're very bright. They look great. And he also has one of the newest NZXT water coolers on there. It has the screen, and as you can see, he's got the Jormungandr cat skin right there on the screen. A lot of Jormungandr cat skin stuff going on here. He also has 64 gigs of Silicon Power, XPower, RGB, DDR5 RAM. That's, I want to say, 6400 megahertz. I could be wrong there. And then he has a 7950X CPU. David does a lot of crazy stuff with this computer. He kind of plays it like an instrument. David is also a musician, and if you've ever watched him work on his computer, it's a fun thing to do. He does everything different than normal people, but he does it usually faster, but in a different way. That's the way I like to explain it. So anyway, yeah, he's doing a lot of custom spreadsheets and algorithm stuff, or Excel coding things. I'm probably saying that wrong, but anyway. David also likes to play a lot of Path of Exile on his lunch break here. So he's got a 7900 GRE 16 gig graphics card, really good graphics card. I think that a lot of people don't know about this one, but don't sleep on the Golden Rabbit Edition card, guys. It's a great bang for the buck card. And then he has a Corsair AX860 modular power supply with custom white cables. And he's got I know he has a Western Digital SN850 SSD there. But he also has his old one down there for some of his old data, which was like an XPG something or other, but not a 4.0 drive. I think I covered all of the stuff at David's desk. This is probably one of the shorter videos we're going to make. And I hope you guys enjoyed especially the tchotchkes he has here on his desk. So let us know in the comments if you liked it. And I guess I always need to talk about some certain things in every video I do in this LAN series. This video is going to be, I think, third to last, and we have a giveaway PC we're doing. Hopefully, I will be flashing that across the screen right now, but there are only a few days left. The end of the month is the last day to enter, the end of the month being March of 2024, and we're only a few days away from that. So we should be announcing the winner on April the first. Well, sorry, it won't be April 1st. It'll be the first day of April, where it's a weekday is the way to say it. But the last day to enter is the last day of March. So hopefully you're entered. Last I looked, there's only about 300 entries, so your chances of winning are better than most other giveaways, I would say. We just haven't had, I would say unfortunately, we have not had that many people watching the videos, and we haven't had that many people entering, and that's fine. It's something we tried, and I hope that maybe as time goes by, maybe more and more people will pick up on this LAN series, and it could be, you might be watching this a year after we released it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the series, and hopefully you are entering for the giveaway. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video.